How to use the Capcut editing application Pro features free of charge without paying for it. You and I know that there are some features in that very Capcut editing application that you cannot make use of except you pay for it. And the problem here is that the amount they are requiring for it in a month is huge. Okay, so in this very video, I'm going to show you how you can actually bypass that and use those features without paying for it. Please note, this very tutorial is for educational purpose. Don't abuse it. Let's go to the screen to show you how you can actually gain access to this. Don't forget to share to others to learn and benefit from this. Alright, the first thing which you need to do as regards to this very tutorial is to head over to your Play Store if you are using an Android phone, or Apple Store if you are using an iPhone, and download Telegram application as you can see it here, and have it installed on your phone and sign up with them. Once you are done signing up with them, you go to it and click it for me. It will take you to this very interface. Now, this is the next thing which you need to do. Do you see this very hand mirror like icon? As you can see my finger pointing on it, click it for me. Then come over to this very keyboard and type in premium access to. Before you could finish typing it, it has appeared. Premium access to 5,000 or 500 plus mobile applications. Okay, the first one, as you can see my finger pointing on it. Now click it for me like this. It will open. Before I tell you the next thing which you need to do, first of all, go over to that very join button. You can see my finger and then join them. The next thing which you need to do, before I tell you, let me use this opportunity to highlight on this very procedure that I'm showing you now. You can use it as well to gain access to all the pro features of all the applications available online, okay, without paying for them. Now you may be asking, what is pro features? Pro features are those very features in a particular application that you cannot make use of except you pay for them. Do you understand? So the purpose of this very tutorial is to show you how to bypass paying for the pro features. Now please, I'm begging you in the name of God, this very tutorial that I'm showing you, or this very update that I'm showing you free of charge, I paid huge amount of money to learn them. So what you owe me now is to share this very update so that it will get to others out there that may need of it. Whether you're a content creator or just a regular online user, you may need this very update, okay? Even if you don't need it, share it so that others will benefit from it, okay? Thank you, as I believe you will do it. Now, once you are at this very place, all these very point down arrows in each of the boxes contains the applications. You can see here Copilot, you can see Artist, you can see Photo Studio, KineMaster for those that are editing, Photo Lab, and all these ones. All of them are here. Power Director, Photo Room, and all the rest. If you search for Capcut and you couldn't see them, or you couldn't see it, head over to this three dot here and click it from. You can see my finger. Search, click on search box and search for the name of that very application that you want to download, and click it here and click on this very search button. You can see my finger and search for it. Peradventure you search for the particular application and you couldn't find it. Now you head over to this very interface and search them one after the other. Scroll until you get to that very particular one, because there are thousands of applications here. Okay, now using this very particular one, let me just use InShot as an example. Okay, this particular one, InShot, you click on that very point down arrow, it will start downloading. Please, before you start downloading any of the app you find in this very place, make sure that you have deleted or uninstalled the one you downloaded from your Play Store or Apple Store before you start downloading it, okay, so that it will not have issue or give you issue. Please, if you have valued this very particular information, do well like I begged you before in the name of God to share it so that others will benefit from it. See you in my next video.